Hi, it's Daniel.
And Jenny.
And Talia.
And today we're going to share our top places to beat the heat at Disneyland.
These are our favorite places to chill out on a hot day.
Our first place to beat the heat is right here in Disneyland, the Opera House right behind me. It's rarely crowded inside. There's fun exhibits to look at. Right now it's the 100 Years of Wonder. There's also several places to sit down and relax. A TV shows opening day festivities from July 17th, 1955. And there's other cool stuff to look at as well. One of the best things about the Opera House is the Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln show, which shows every 20 minutes. There's ample, comfortable seating, and it retells the history leading up to the Civil War and features an animatronic Abraham Lincoln reading the Gettysburg Address.
We are at Disney California Adventure, and another great place to beat the heat is the Disney Junior Dance Party. This interactive show happens throughout the day and is especially great for preschool and school-aged children. You'll see lots of Disney Junior characters, including Mickey, Minnie, Vampirina, and more, as they dance and sing some of your favorite Disney Junior songs. It's a great place for younger kids to get some wiggles out, but most importantly, it is air-conditioned. There is mostly seating on the floor, but there are benches available for anyone to sit and enjoy. The show lasts approximately 20 minutes and occurs throughout the day. Be sure to check the Disneyland official app for show times and make a plan to get in line at least 5 to 10 minutes before the show starts.
Next on our favorite things to do to beat the heat is here at Disney California Adventure Park. Right behind me you'll see Ariel's Undersea Adventure, or what we affectionately call the Little Mermaid ride. This ride is on an Omnimover system just like the Haunted Mansion over at Disneyland, which means that the line tends to move quickly, so even if there's a longer wait time, you usually don't have to wait very long, and pretty much all of the queue is in the shade. This ride takes you on a 10-minute air-conditioned journey under the sea, where you travel through different scenes from the Little Mermaid movie. You get to see all your favorite characters, including Scuttle, Sebastian, Ariel, Flounder, King Triton, and even Ursula. Several songs from the movie are featured throughout the ride, and if you're lucky, you may even experience a brief pause during the ride.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this.
Fear not, this temporary stop allows guests who need assistance to safely board or exit their ride vehicle, but more importantly, it extends your time spent in the ride's refreshing air conditioning.
Our next place to cool off is the Main Street Cinema.
Located on Main Street, USA, near the main entrance of Disneyland, this hidden gem is nestled between a few different stores. Many guests don't realize that if you walk on in, you can sit down, relax, and enjoy a viewing of several different classic Disney cartoons. There are 6 different black and white cartoons playing at the same time. You are welcome to sit on a bench, relax, and watch them for as long as you'd like. Or you're welcome to just walk in, take a look around, and head on out to the next Disneyland attraction. There's plenty of air conditioning, and it's a dark, cool spot, perfect to cool off on a hot day. There's also a raised viewing platform in the center where kids can get a better view of the cartoons, or they can also dance and get some wiggles out.
Our next place to cool off is over in the Grand Californian Hotel. This is the Craftsman Grill, which is the quick service restaurant here inside the hotel.
Anyone is welcome to eat at this restaurant. You do not have to be a guest at the hotel. This is one of our favorite hidden gems at the Disneyland Resort. This quick service restaurant offers a wide variety of menu items, including the double-baked nachos, which are served in a large portion, which is perfect for sharing. A special hot dog of the month, which changes throughout the year. And our personal favorite dessert, the peanut butter blondie. There is plenty of indoor air-conditioned seating, and we find that it's an extra cold spot on a hot day. There's also plenty of outdoor seating in the shade in a calm and quiet spot. Another fun feature that we enjoy here is the Coke Freestyle machine, which allows you to create your own special drinks.
Another place to beat the heat is here in California Adventure Park. Right behind me you'll find the Animation Academy building. Inside there's a handful of activities, all air conditioned. The main lobby area of the building has plenty of seating. There's also 4 activities you can do in the building. There's the Animation Academy where you can draw your favorite Disney characters, which takes place every half hour. Be sure to check the schedule, which changes daily. There's the Sorcerer's Workshop where you can learn more about how animation works and find out what Disney character you are. There's Turtle Talk with Crush, where you can meet Crush in a fun interactive show where guests can actually ask him questions and he responds to whatever it is that you're doing or asking. There's also an up-close meet and greet with Anna and Elsa, and sometimes you can find Olaf and Kristoff inside. There's also screens surrounding the entire lobby area showing your favorite classic Disney cartoons and playing fun music from the movies themselves.
Our next place to cool off is Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
This classic attraction is actually a show that runs every 20 minutes, so you'll never have a long line or a wait. Before entering the theater, you can enjoy comfortable seating outside in the shade and watch a pre-show with some magical extra details. You can also grab a Dole Whip from the nearby Dole Whip stand or bring in any other snacks or drinks that you'd like to enjoy during the show. This show features audio animatronic birds, flowers, and other entertaining characters, which have been amusing guests for many years. There is plenty of air conditioning to keep this theater nice and cool even on a hot day, and our pro tip is to sit in the very back row. This row has a fully cushioned back, so you can lean back a little more comfortably than in the other rows.
Our next tip is a bonus tip. Here at Disneyland in Toontown, you can wait in the lines for Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin or Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
They do tend to have longer lines, but both of them feature queues that are indoors and air-conditioned, making them great ways to both make progress towards going on a ride and stay out of the hot sun. The queue for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is one of the most detailed queues at the Disneyland Resort. Everywhere you look, you'll find cute jokes, puns, and other Easter eggs referencing Mickey Mouse shorts and other throwback Disney cartoons you may have forgotten about. You may even find some hidden Mickeys. The Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin queue is calm and dark, includes details from the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, which it's based on, and in our opinion contains the coldest, most refreshing air conditioning inside Disneyland Park.
Next up on our list of places to beat the heat is the Golden Horseshoe.
The Golden Horseshoe is a great air-conditioned reprieve that's much larger than meets the eye. Many guests don't realize that there's actually 2 levels of seating inside, which usually means it's easy to find a seat to relax. Inside, you can get a savory snack or meal, or you can opt for an ice cream treat. Root beer floats are a popular and refreshing item on their menu, and you can even get a float with any soda and ice cream combination they have, as long as you ask nicely. Our absolute favorite treat from the Golden Horseshoe, which we think is one of the best bargains at Disneyland, is their house-made chocolate chunk cookie sundae. It features a giant chocolate chunk cookie under a large scoop of vanilla ice cream, which is then topped with caramel and chocolate syrups, sprinkles, a cherry, and 2 more smaller chocolate chip cookies, making it look like a Mickey Mouse. Also inside the Golden Horseshoe, you'll find a piano player who performs several shows daily, featuring several ragtime songs and Disney classics reimagined in the ragtime style. Be sure to check the sign at the front door or the official Disneyland app for showtimes.
Another great place to cool off on a hot day is Mickey's Philharmagic. This is a 3D show that occurs every 20 minutes throughout the day, so there is never an actual line to wait in. Inside, you'll find lots of air conditioning and comfortable seats. This experience can be a little loud for younger kids, so do keep that in mind, but otherwise it's a great option for families of all ages. It features some of your favorite Disney characters, including Mickey Mouse and Donald, and includes scenes from some of your favorite Disney movies, such as Peter Pan, Coco, Aladdin, Little Mermaid, and Beauty and the Beast.
For the last place on our list of the best places to beat the heat at the Disneyland Resort, we are back at the Grand Californian Hotel, specifically in the lobby.
Here you'll find plenty of air-conditioned seating and a very calm, relaxed vibe. Depending on when you visit, you may find a giant gingerbread house, Christmas tree, or other fun Disney display. There's also a seasonal holiday cart offering various treats and drinks themed to the current season or an upcoming holiday. Disney songs play from a player piano throughout the day, and occasionally you'll find a pianist playing tunes and interacting with guests. Near hotel registration, you'll find a television geared towards younger guests showing a variety of Disney and Mickey Mouse shorts. On the side of the lobby opposite hotel registration, you'll find the Hearthstone Lounge with an upscale food and drink menu, which is also available to order from servers if you choose to sit down in the lobby. While not necessarily where you want to spend time on a hot day, you'll also find a calm fireplace where you can sit and relax.
That wraps up our list of the best places to go to cool off on a hot day here at the Disneyland Resort. Let us know in the comments if there are any other hidden gems that we missed, or if there are any other places that you love to go to cool down.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out and we appreciate it.
Don't forget to subscribe for even more magical content.
And we hope we put you in a magical mood.